Unlocking Google Trends data with Made with Trends, a step-by-step tutorial. Made with Trends is a new website that allows users to create and share their own visualizations based on Google Trends data. It is a simple and easy-to-use tool that can be used by anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. To get started with Made with Trends, simply visit the website and sign in with your Google account. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. On the main dashboard, you will see a list of all of the trending topics on Google. You can also search for specific topics by typing them into the search bar at the top of the page. Once you have found a topic that you are interested in, click on it to see more information. This will take you to a page with a graph of the search volume for that topic over time. You can also see a list of related topics and a map showing where in the world people are searching for that topic. To create a visualization, simply click on the Create Visualization button. This will open a new window where you can select the type of visualization that you want to create. Made with Trends offers a variety of different visualization types, including bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and maps. Once you have selected the type of visualization that you want to create, you will need to select the data that you want to include. You can do this by clicking on the Add Data button and selecting the data points that you want to include. Once you have selected the data that you want to include, you can customize the appearance of your visualization by changing the colors, fonts, and other settings. When you are finished customizing your visualization, you can click on the Save button to save it to your account. You can also share your visualization with others by clicking on the Share button and copying the link to your visualization. Examples of Made with Trends visualizations. Here are a few examples of Made with Trends visualizations. 1. A line chart showing the search volume for the topic NBA over time. 2. A bar chart showing the most popular search terms related to the topic Formula 1. 3. A pie chart showing the percentage of people searching for the topic Halloween costumes in each country. 4. A map showing the countries where people are most likely to search for the topic World Teachers' Day. How to use Made with Trends for research. Made with Trends can be a valuable tool for research. By using Made with Trends, you can easily see how people's search behavior is changing over time and what topics are trending in different parts of the world. This information can be used to identify new research topics, to track the progress of research on existing topics, and to identify areas where more research is needed. For example, if you are a researcher interested in the topic of climate change, you could use Made with Trends to see how people's search behavior for climate change-related topics has changed over time. You could also use Made with Trends to see what climate change-related topics are trending in different parts of the world. This information could help you to identify new research topics, to track the progress of research on existing topics, and to identify areas where more research is needed. Made with Trends is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. It is a simple and easy-to-use tool that can be used by anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Made with Trends is a tool that allows users to create and share visualizations based on Google Trends data. This can be beneficial for people in a variety of ways. For example, students and researchers can use Made with Trends to find and analyze data relevant to their studies. Businesses can use Made with Trends to identify trends in consumer behavior and to develop new products and services. Journalists can use Made with Trends to find and report on trending topics. And anyone can use Made with Trends to learn more about the world around them. Here are some specific examples of how Made with Trends can benefit people. 1. Students. Made with Trends can help students find data for their research projects. 1. For example, a student studying the history of the Internet could use Made with Trends to track the search volume for the term Internet over time. 1. This data could help the student to identify trends in the popularity of the Internet and to develop a better understanding of the history of the web. 2. Researchers. Made with Trends can help researchers identify trends in public opinion and to track the progress of research on specific topics. 2. For example, a researcher studying the public's understanding of climate change could use Made with Trends to track the search volume for terms like climate change and global warming over time. 2. This data could help the researcher to identify trends in public awareness of climate change and to develop more effective public education campaigns. 3. Businesses. Made with Trends can help businesses identify trends in consumer behavior and to develop new products and services. 3. For example, a clothing company could use Made with Trends to track the search volume for terms like fashion trends and style tips over time. 3. This data could help the company to identify trends in consumer tastes and to develop new products that are likely to be popular. 4. Journalists. Made with Trends can help journalists find and report on trending topics. 4. For example, a journalist could use Made with Trends to identify the most searched for terms in the news on any given day. 4. This data could help the journalist to identify stories that are likely to be of interest to their audience. 5. Individual users. Made with Trends can help anyone learn more about the world around them. 5. For example, an individual user could use Made with Trends to track the search volume for terms like current events and world news over time. 5. This data could help the user to stay informed about current events and to learn more about different cultures and perspectives. 6. Nonprofits. Made with Trends can help nonprofits identify and address the needs of the people they serve. 6. For example, a nonprofit that provides food assistance to low-income families could use Made with Trends to track the search volume for terms like food stamps and hunger over time. 6. This data could help the nonprofit to identify areas where there is a high demand for food assistance and to develop more effective programs to meet that demand. 7. Policymakers. Made with Trends can help policymakers identify and address the concerns of their constituents. 7. For example, a politician could use Made with Trends to track the search volume for terms like healthcare and education over time. 7. This data could help the politician to identify the issues that are most important to their constituents and to develop policies that address those issues. Overall, Made with Trends is a powerful tool that can benefit people in a variety of ways. It can help students, researchers, businesses, journalists, and individual users to learn more about the world around them and to make better decisions. It can also help nonprofits and policymakers to identify and address the needs of the people they serve.